Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Angela, and in today's video we're going to talk about some of the things we use every day inside of our rig. And we're going to start in this area because a lot of the things that we use are right here in this room. One of the first things I want to tell you guys about is just a simple kitchen gadget. It's called a bread buddy, and all it does is just keep the bread from getting squished in the pantry, which is really great for travel days, and it keeps everything really fresh. One of the next things I want to tell you guys about is just this magnetic paper towel holder. Sticks right onto the fridge with a really strong magnet. It's never budged, gives us a little bit of extra space, and it works for us because in our rig we don't have anywhere to put paper towel underneath, really, so this was a great solution. One thing that we definitely use every day are our plates. We just have simple Corelle plates. We also had these in our house and brought them with us. They're really durable and they stack nice and easy. They don't take up a lot of space and I don't have to worry about them breaking. One of the other things that I definitely would not travel full-time without is the reverse osmosis that Sean installed right underneath our kitchen sink. We don't have to worry about bottled water and it's super convenient. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys about are these insulated covers. We have one in our skylight above the kitchen sink and another in our fan, and those help block the heat as well as some of the light. We really thought we'd like having the light over the kitchen island, but sometimes it's a little bright. One of the other items we use every day is this nice silicone mat Evie has for her dishes. It helps contain any of the mess and keeps anything from sliding around on the floor. Something else that we couldn't travel without is our 80-inch movie screen. Sean installed this when we hit the road, and that's how we do movie night. One of the first things we installed on the rig was this film here on the bedroom windows. We have these blackout roller shades, but when you pull it down, there's still a gap here. So for privacy reasons, Sean put this film on the window. It hasn't budged or moved, and it's great. Can't see through it. Something else that we definitely recommend is some type of water sensor. We went with the Govee brand, but there are others out there. This one has an app. It's very sensitive, so just the slightest bit of moisture is definitely going to let you know and hopefully save you from a big mess.
All right, so a bonus tip. A lot of us have these cordless Dyson stick vacuums, and after a couple years batteries start to wear out on them, and instead of buying a new battery, I came across this kit you could buy where you can use your cordless set, whatever brand you have. They have them for Milwaukee, Bosch. I saw a bunch of different ones, but yeah, it makes it so you can use your rechargeable batteries from your power tools, and it works great.
Another item that we really like is to have an ice maker. Our refrigerator freezer does not make ice, and this little thing is small enough, has a convenient handle, it goes up in the cabinet, it doesn't have to be out all the time, and it makes ice in just a few minutes, so it's super convenient for us. A small kitchen gadget that I really found useful is one of these thermometers. So it just goes in the oven, just hangs on there. It's really hard to tell exactly what temperature the oven is because it doesn't heat evenly, and whatever you put it on with the dial is not always necessarily how hot it actually is. So this helps me a lot and helps me cook things more evenly. One of our favorite things in our rig is our washer and dryer. We definitely had this put in right away. So our washer is right here, and then we have our dryer. We do not have a combination. With a family with 2 kids, we definitely wanted to be able to wash and dry at the same time. It helps me get a lot more laundry done. This way we're not spending extra money on doing laundry. I don't have to set a timer. I don't have to remember to go get it, swap it. It's just really convenient, and I would not be able to full-time without it. I think our rig already came with some really great shoe storage, but with a family of 4, more storage is definitely always a good thing, and there always seems to be a lot of shoes. So we took to Amazon and just found these on there. They just stick on and they hold tennis shoes, flip-flops. This is not too heavy. It's been up for well over a year now and it's held up great.
one of the things that we could not do without being full-time on the road is good internet. So when we first hit the road, we have a PepLink PepWave up there. It's a duo. I can put 4 SIM cards in it. For the first year or so we were on the road, that was the only internet we had, and it worked great. And then we got Starlink, so Starlink was kind of our backup. And then more recently, probably over a year ago now, we got the T-Mobile home internet, which that might not work in the future. We got to kind of wait that one out and see. But we have had pretty much rock solid internet, even in a location like this where we can't use Starlink right now. We're still fine with the cell networks and stuff nowadays. You get pretty much coverage everywhere. So maybe sometime in the future I'll do a more in-depth video on our internet and how we get internet and maybe our internet speeds and stuff like that. But that is definitely one of the things we could not do without. So one of the things I definitely can go without would be my gaming setup. Now, I've been an avid gamer for most of my life, decades, and having access to the internet on the road to play my online games is a must for me. So I have my desktop PC here, I have an Xbox, I have my dual monitor set up 4K. This is where I do all my work, this is where I edit my videos, this is where I surf the internet, and this is where I game out on, I wouldn't say nightly basis, but I play quite a few video games. So for me, this is a definite must-have. So I'd say the number one item that we've got for our rig is our mattress by Brooklyn Bedding. It's really changed the way we sleep. We had originally brought our mattress from our house into the rig. We slept on that for a couple years. We were in the market when they reached out to us, so it was really good timing on their part, and it saved us some money. That being said, I would have paid cash for this mattress. I would buy it in a heartbeat. It's been, like I said, it's really changed the way we sleep.
Thanks for watching the video today. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have a hot tip for us, tell us, what do you travel with? One of the first... Oh! What do you use? Maybe we'll find something? Nope, I don't know. What do we say? What do we say? What do I say? What do I say? I don't know. Thanks for watching the video today. Nope. Please hit that like. No. Is it thumbs up? Is it like? Please give us a thumbs up. No. Nope. Nope. Okay. Great. Freaking use one of those. I don't care.